Hello everyone. Hello, welcome our living show. Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook living and YouTube living. I'm Tina from Insight Ferroalloys, and we are the professional ferroalloy manufacturer and exporter. Today, let us talking about the Nitrided ferro and let us introduce our production line and the production samples from the production to global the shipment. Yes, and today we will interview the uh, ferrochrome, high carbon ferrochrome, middle carbon ferrochrome, and low carbon ferrochrome. And we also introduce the Nitrided ferrochrome, the production line. And our company has specialized in the Nitrided ferroalloys for many years. And our main the production including the Nitrided ferrochrome, Nitrided ferromanganese, and Nitrided seriously the ferroalloys. Among them, Nitrided ferrochrome plays a key role as a nitrogen and chrome source in the stainless and special steels. Yes, so if you are the stainless steel the manufacturer, stainless steel the trader, and the trader provide the raw materials for the steel, for the custom, for the stainless steel manufacturing. You can find us, and we will supply the raw materials, ferrochrome or the Nitrided ferrochrome. Yes. And first let us introduce the Nitrided ferrochrome. Yes, because we are the Nitrided ferrochrome, the manufacturer. So about the Nitrided ferrochrome, the production line and the delivery time and the production, the process. Let us introduce for you. And Today, now let us talking and quickly looking at the workshop. And here is the Nitrided finances from the raw material source to the steel smelting, nitrogen cooling, and package. Every step is strictly mentioned to ensure the high purity and consistency. Okay, the first let us introduce the manufacturing video. And check out the videos. Then let us introduce the production line, production the process. Yes, these are the manufacturing new video. Okay, and these are the manufacturers the video, and you will check our we have the star. You will check our the warehouse, or the production line, and our the package. Okay, let us introduce our the first step. First step is our the raw materials high carbon ferrochrome. Let us check our the high carbon ferrochrome the samples. Yes, like this one. This is our the natural ferrochrome. The natural ferrochrome the raw materials high carbon ferrochrome. Yes, so we will use the high carbon ferrochrome as the raw materials, which is a main chrome source in the final productions. Our materials are the strictly tested before the process. Yes. So about the high carbon ferrochrome, we have our the warehouse. So if you need the high carbon ferrochrome, you can find us, and we also quotations the high carbon ferrochrome. Yes. And the second step is the chorus grinding. The raw alloy is crushed in the large grinding machine into the crushed the powder, prepared for the debusylation and increase the sulfur air. Yes, and the third stem is the carbon reduced. The carbon powder undergoes decarbonylation to become low carbon ferrochrome, which is extensional for the stainless steel grinding applications. Yes. So the first step is the low carbon ferrochrome is then finally grown agent use the smelling grinding to the prepare into for the prepares and nitrided. And the step 5 is the pressure. And looking at the video, you can check we have the machine to the pressure or the powder to become the block. Yes, the final powder is processed into the small particle or the cycling shape. Use computation machines actives for the vacuum nature. The next step we will and this is the carol step. The process materials are the placed into the furnaces vacuum resistance. Like my background is our the vacuum resistance furnaces and undergo natured at the 1200 temperature in a nitrogen rich temperature increase the nutrient contact. The next step is the drying. Yes, when this step is ending, we will to drying posing nature. The materials is transferred to drying until to remove moisture and stabilize the productions. Yes. The end production line is the crushing and the sieving. The final natured ferrochrome is the crushing and grinding to the required size, such as the 0 to 3 millimeters or the 10 to 15 millimeters, and the package with the quality report. Yes, and when we production is successful, we will test in the lab. If the production line is past your test requirement, then we will deliver it to our China port. But if our contact is don't meet your requirement, so we will production it again. Yes. And then let us introduce our the sample, our the high carbon ferrochrome and our the low carbon ferrochrome. Please check like this one is our high carbon ferrochrome. You can see the high carbon ferrochrome has many the row. Yes. And according to the pressure it's and high temperature to reduce the carbon will becomes the low carbon ferrochrome like this one. This one is the low carbon ferrochrome. And the low carbon ferrochrome generally the specification is the chrome is 16% millimeters and the carbon is 0.1% millimeters. And we also have the other shape of the low carbon ferrochrome. Yes, and like this one, low carbon ferrochrome, the chrome is the 16% to 65%, and like this one is our the 70%, and will and this step will have the different production line. Yes, and this shape and this contact specification is chrome contact is 70% millimeters, but the color looks gray. Yes, like this one. And this production is from our the vacuum resistance furnaces. Yes. And like this one, this is our the Nitrided ferrochrome. The Nitrided ferrochrome. If you are visit our the manufactory, you can check this shape the Nitrided ferrochrome. Yes, and we will according this block to block the different size, and we also to block the different size powder lamp. Yes, we will according to your requirement. So if you are interested in our the natural ferrochrome and ferrochrome, please contact us. And the natural ferrochrome will use the high quality stainless steels, and will use the air industrial and two instant of the nickel metals to save some cost. Hello Fiona, nice to meet you. Welcome to our living room. Welcome. And in the recently years, our the production have been exported to the Indian, South Korea, and the European, and more. And the demand groups for the high the nutrient stainless steel ferrochrome nitride has become increasingly the valuable with part the melting pigment method like the later create and the TT, and offer the third-party inspection and the international certificate. Yes. So about our the export experience, please don't worry. We have the more export experience. Yes. And about our the delivery time, our the payment, our the survey and our the service and our the many the export experience. We have the many experiences, so please don't worry. And you can feel free to drop your question in the comment, whether it's about the specification, logistic certification, or the payment terms. We are here to answer in the real time. Yes. So about our the ferroalloys, if you have any questions, please contact us or please tell me. Then we will give you the professional answers. Yes. And we are the Nitrided ferrochrome the manufacturer, and we also treat other the ferroalloys like the ferrosilicon, ferromanganese, silicon manganese, silicon metals, calcium silicons, calcium metals, and we also treat the cold wears. Yes. So if you are need the ferroalloys cold wears, please feel free to contact us, like the natured manganese cold wear, like the ferrosilicon manganese cold and natured ferrochrome cold we also to making it, and we also making the other expensive the ferroalloys like the fair vanadium, fair metal calcium. Yes. So you need if you are interested in the manufacturer, please contact us. Yes. Hello Rudy, hello Luna, nice to meet you. Welcome to our living room. What can I do for you, and which one of ferroalloys meet your the requirement? Let us introduce our the customer visit or the manufacturer. Yes, and we have the many the customer view visits or the manufacturer, and or the customer from the India, from the Korea, from the Canada, from the Brazilian, from. Thank you, Luna. Yes, we are the manufacturer. We are the Nitrided ferrochrome, the manufacturer. Are you looking for the ferroalloy, the manufacturer? How will you control the specification and the size? Yes, about the ferroalloys, we will according to your specification and size to production it. Like the specification, we will have the um professional the production department to production it, and we will to control the different the raw materials to control all the specifications. When we production is successful, we will test it in our the laboratory factory laboratory. Yeah. So when so if the specification meet your requirement, we will deliver it. But if the specification is without meet your the specification, we will production it again. Yes, sure. And please tell us your the detailed specification or the which one production meet your requirement. We can requirement our the ferroalloys, and we also according to your requirement to provide our the best service. Great. You're welcome, and wait for your feedback. Yes, thank you, Luna, and I will check it. Yes, and we will by email to send our the detailed specification and our the catalog and our the company informations. If you want to learn more about the companies, please contact us, and we can contact on WhatsApp. Yes. Have you purchased it from China? And this is your first purchase it. First purchase it the ferroalloys. Thank you, Luna. You are also so kind and beautiful. And if you welcome to China, welcome to our the manufacturing to welcome to visit our the manufacturing. You can visit our the manufacturing, the production line, and you can check our the new manufacturing and the chemical the manufacturing. So if you are interested in the chemical new energy the production line production, you can find us. But now I want. Okay, it doesn't matter, and you can find some more the factory to find suitable the supplier for you. Hi Tina, hi Ida, nice to meet you. Welcome to our living room. Can I visit you? Sure. Welcome to China and to visit our the factory. Sure, and when you have the, may I know when time? When do you plan to visit our factory? Hi Luna. When do you plan to visit our factory? Hi Ida, nice to meet you. Okay, wait for your message. Thank you, Luna. And okay. Let us check out the video. These are the old video, and these are the factory. Hi Ida, nice to meet you. Yes, and this is our the Nitrided ferrochrome. Yes, the Nitrided ferrochrome is very heavy. The weight is about uh, uh, 40 kilogram. Yes, the weight is 40 kilogram. Are you interested in the Nitrided ferrochrome? And the Nitrided ferrochrome will use the stainless steel industrial. Yeah, so if you are the stainless steel industrial, the user and the trader, we will suggest you to find the Nitrided ferrochrome. We are the ferrochrome and the Nitrided ferrochrome, the manufacturer. Yes, so if you are interested in the manufacturer, please find us. And we also have the silicon nitride. Yes, recently we have the customer to find the silicon nitride. Like the silicon nitride is electric substance with a chemical furnace silicon 3 nitride 4. It presents a light of the white color. Silicon nitride can be made by the heating silicon powder in the nitrogen and all the reactions silicon handle with the magnet, except for the high valence acid. It doesn't reach with the other acids. Yes, so if you are interested in the silicon nitride, you can please find us and we will according to the detailed specification. And let us introduce the new topic, like the nitride ferrosilicon and the ferrosilicon different used in different industrial. Also, the nitride ferrosilicon and the ferrosilicon have the similar name, and the ferrosilicon nitride is made from the ferrosilicon. There are the significant difference between the two in terms of the computation, performance, and applications. The following is a detailed comparison from the three dimensions carrier different application industrials and the unit method. The number one is the carrier difference, ingredients, and performance. The specification, like the ferrosilicon, generally we check the specification is the silicon is 30, 32, 35, and 25, and the carbon content is the 0.2% maximal. And other specification is the balance. And the nitride ferrosilicon we common specification is the 40 to 60. The ferro is the 20 to 40%. The nitride is the 8 to 40%. The physical property, the ferrosilicon is the silicon and arrow from an arrow to form a metal, and the nitride ferrosilicon is the hard, perhaps is evidently displayed in the arrow text, which is the certimeter reinforced metal composition materials. And the performance is the ferrosilicon is have the strong reducing property. Silicon easily reaction with the oxide. Good electric conducting, more at hardness at room temperature, easily oxidant at the high temperature, and all the nitride ferrosilicon have the high wear resistance, high temperature resistance, and the oxidation resistance, stable below 1300 temperature. Oxidation rate is only 0.2 of the ferrosilicon. Current resistance, resistant to acid, acrylic, metal arrow, low conductive due to the silicon 3 nitride for the insolutions. And we have the difference in the applications industrial. The core application industrial of the ferrosilicon, the carrier value of the ferrosilicon lies in the strong reducibilities and alloy finances, which is mainly using in metal smelting. And the steel industrial, most important is the steel making domestic improves the purity and mechanical prepared of the steel. Alloys element advised to improve the magnesis and aesthetics of the steel. The foundry industrial inoculant for the Greek cast iron and the deckled iron improve of the strength of the castings. The number 3 is the current application industrial of the nitride ferrosilicon. The cost value of the silicon nitride aero line is the high temperature wear resistance and current resistance. And the refriaction industrial is the blast farmer melt advanced at 3% to 8% to the blast furnace's temperature meant and using the resistance to melting iron cells and high temperature strength to the extent the service life of the month from the 8 to 20 hours to 16 to 24 hours. Foundry industrial have the high-end cineras and the wear-resistant material industrial mixed with the aero powder and the scented to from composite where the resistant parties such as the bearing and liners used in low speed and heavy load with the wear resistance 2 to 3 times that of the ordinary aero-based parties. So we have the difference in the usage. And the ferrosilicon is the basic raw materials for the smelting and service the production lines of the steel and the casting by its reduced and alloyed furnaces. Ferrosilicon nitride is a high-end functions materials and service the quality improved and excellent increase of the high temperature industrial by its wear resistance and high temperature resistant properties of the silicon 3 nitride 4. The essence difference between the two is that the ferrosilicon is a constable principle in the reaction, and the ferrosilicon nitride is a region for cement body that the retain is the structure. And this is our the nitride ferrosilicon and the ferrosilicon different. So if you want to know the ferrochrome and the nitride ferrochrome the different, please tell us. We will introduce our the nitride ferrochrome and the ferrochrome the different in our the next living room. Yes. Hi, yes, and this is our the nitride ferrochrome, the samples. And China's ferrochrome production and the steel standards. Low carbon ferrochrome in the Chinese standard system is like the tightly interwoven with the comprehensive detail and strictly specification from the breadth of the production to the product to every length of its application. Next, let us to introduce the Ferro manufacturer review explain step by step brand and the chemical composition standard. The Chinese standard developed multi-brand carefully based on the difference in the chrome content in low carbon ferrochrome, such as the low carbon ferrochrome, the chrome whose chrome contact range is presently sits at the 20% to 16%. Low carbon ferrochrome, the chrome 20 chrome contact is in the range of the 80% to 22%. Low carbon ferrochrome chrome 30 chrome contact is the 28% to 32%. There is also low carbon ferrochrome, the chrome 40 chrome contact range is the 38 to 42%. Such a clearly and detailed division generates different users to the accurately suitable low carbon ferrochrome production according to their actual need. In terms of the chemical composition, the standard also has a strict and precise regulation. As a key indicator of the low carbon ferrochrome, carbon contact is limited to a specification low contact range to ensure that is low carbon characterization or the for demonstration, so as to meet the needs of the production special steel such as low carbon steel. For the contact of the impurity elements such as the steel and this standard also clear sets strictly upper limit requirement. This is because is the contact of this imperator element is too high. It will have the negative impact on the performance of the low carbon ferrochrome and then endangers of the quality of the steel production with it as raw materials. So we also have a physical standard from the appearance. Chinese standard requires that the low carbon ferrochrome should usually be block formed. In addition, there are the clear specifications for the weight and the size of each block. The weight of each block should generally not exceed the 15 kilograms, and the weight of the ferrochrome block with the size of less than the 20 millimeters should not exceed 5% of the total weight. Such regulations are not aimed reasonable weight and the size standard can not only ensure the stability and computation of the low carbon ferrochrome during the storage and transportation, but also facilitate its uniform and efficient integration into molten steel in subsequent production lines such as the steel making, and giving full play to its alloy effect. In addition, the standard also emphasizes the non-metal incrustation visible to the naked eye should appear insistent or on the surface of the low-carbon ferrochrome. This is because the precedence of the non-metallic incrustations, like the hidden dangerous bombs in the steel, which will the seriously demand and mechanical practical of the stand still reduce the key industrial stances strange softness and the felting life of the steel. And we also have the testimation standard. When conducting qualities inspections on the low-carbon ferrochrome, scientific and standard list test methods are based and pre-practiced for the obtaining accurate and reliable test data. China standard has a formatted specification standard for the sampling process. It should be operated in accordance and GB 401083. Method for the sample for the chemical analysis of the ferroalloys. The standard specification in detail the sample's location, qualities, mass, and sample strength and the transportation requirement to ensure that the sample can be for representative and truly reflection and the quality standard of the entire base of the low carbon ferrochrome. In the sample preparation process, strictly standard and are also followed GB 433284 method for the stepling sample for the chemical analysis of the ferroalloys, from sample crushing grading to the final preparation of the samples that meet the requirement of the chemical analysis. Each step has a clear operating procedure and technical indicators to ensure that the practical size and uniform of the sample meet the need of the analysis and testing. In the most the circle chemical analysis link, the relication province of the GB 5687.1 and 5687.485 chemical analysis method for the ferrochrome are the adjunct. This seriously of the standard cover varieties of the advantage and accurate analysis and test method for the determination of the contact of the mine element and impurity element such as the chrome, carbon, silicon, sulfur in the low carbon ferrochrome. Detailed expiration stamp, instruction and equipment requirement, register selection standard and this process method are given. By strictly implementing this standard method, the precedence of the chemical analysis result can be ensured, providing solid data support for the quality determination of the low carbon ferrochrome. Yes. So if you are interested in the ferroalloys, please contact us. We will have the experience. We will have the experience, and we have the support, the professional suggestion, and the professional service. Hi Rudy, nice to meet you. Welcome to our living room. Are you hot or not baked? Yes, and uh, you can see the black brick, but this is a natural ferrochrome. Are you interested in the natural ferrochrome? And the natural ferrochrome will use the stainless steel industrial to instead of some the nickel metals and save some cost. So if you are interested in the natural ferrochrome or the ferrochrome, please contact us. Are you looking for the ferroalloys? And are you interested in the ferroalloys? If you are interested in the ferroalloys, please contact us. We can provide the common ferroalloys like the ferrosilicon, silicon manganese, ferrosilicon manganese, and also we can provide the silicon metals, and we also provide like the chrome, the low carbon ferrochrome, middle carbon ferrochrome, high carbon ferrochrome, and we also provide the natural ferrochrome and silicon chrome. Yes, and about the calcium we can provide the silicon calcium metal. So if you are interested in this product, you can find us. And we also provide the coatware like the silicon metal coatware, silicon manganese coatware, ferromanganese coatware. Yes. So which one product meets your requirement? Please contact us. We will according to your requirement to production it, and we can find the best source and to provide the best good for you. Yes. And if you are in China, or if you are in China to attention the exhibition, and welcome to our company to check our to visit our the manufacturing, and we are the Nitrided ferrochrome, the manufacturer. Welcome to China, and welcome to visit our the manufacturing. Hello everyone, welcome to our the ferroalloys living room. If you are interested in our the manufacturing, if you are interested in the ferroalloy, please contact us. And thanks for joining us today. If you are interested in the natural ferrochrome or the other ferroalloys, send us message and to get the catalog and quotations. Don't forget to follow our the page for the more updates and living show every week. Yes. In the end, let us check out the video again. Yes. Let us check out the video again. Okay, so if you are interested in the end, thanks for joining us today. If you are interested in the Nitrided ferrochrome and our other ferroalloys, send us a message to get the catalog and the quotation. Don't forget to follow up our the page for more updates and living show every week. See you next time, everyone. Bye bye, Ida. Bye bye, Rudy. Bye bye, Luna. And if you are interested in our ferroalloys, and wait for your message. And this is our the website, our the email, our the WhatsApp number. Bye bye, everyone.